So what I'm doing is I'm trying to show you a bit of my day. This is an interesting sign. I do the wine country thing, and a lot of the time I get a lot of time to myself to do stuff like this. Okay, this is General Vallejo. I'm sitting there with all his friends. Sonoma Plaza and Historic Mission up there. A bit further. When we went to the first winery, and I'll show you that sometime. But yeah, they fancied me this thing. No, 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 no mission. He's going to wander through the town very quickly and just say, this is my Sunday. I did a radio show this morning. If you missed it, really, I'm such a card. I really am. I'm so funny. Let me show you around here a little bit. This is nice. There's the old kitchens, as it were. Now it's looking like old town, isn't it? No idea what that is. These trees. I wanted to show you these trees. They're magnificent. They're blue gum eucalyptus trees that came from Australia to help us build the railroads. Not really a good hardwood tree. They split when you work with them. This is the Love Train on a disused rail track. No mission. Definitely no plaza. And here we are at the other end of the Love Train, or the Pacific Fruit Express. Problem with these trees is that they're full of eucalyptus oil. So those fires you hear about and read about in the news that are happening in California, a lot of them are down to these trees. When they get hit by lightning or if you have power lines touching them, they're full of eucalyptus oil and they explode. That was my explode effect. It's quite good, isn't it? Bang, yeah, boom. I could put a sound effect over it, but I can't be asked. Let me just come around the back of the camera here so I can show you properly what we're looking at. It's the Sonoma Depot Park Museum, a very nice oldie worldy place. Apparently, well, I went in there. Bing Crosby's got a jacket in there. It's so tiny. I mean, he was a small man, but that jacket could, well, be too big for an action man or a G.I. Joe. And that guy there is playing with his balls. There's a little theatre here. Little theatre. Shows a little movie on a loop of the history of the place. And another door there with other stuff in it. There's an old cannon thing there. Yeah, it might be a bit dark in here, but it gives you an idea. He's been there for ages, that poor bloke. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
That's a nice job you've got there. Would you just sit there all day?
For a couple hours.
Do you?
Yeah, my name's Lisa.
Hello, Lisa.
I'm a volunteer, and I'm here to answer if you have any questions about.
So this is the other side of the road. And that there you see is the Mission San Francisco Solano. This is the final mission on the mission trail. 21 missions in California. They stretch from San Diego all the way up here to the very last one in Sonoma. That's the mission. And what we're looking at there is a mission bell. That's what the Eagles are singing about in Hotel California. Mission bells ringing out. They line the road from San Francisco, from here should I say, Sonoma, all the way down to San Diego. The road is called El Camino Real, the King's Road. It just tells you on those bells that you're on the right road to the next mission. That, by the way, I'm showing you is a pomegranate tree that's flowering at the moment. The pomegranates are coming through very soon. There's the mission bell. And there's more old worldy town over there. A very good La Casa, Mexican restaurant just there. And I normally go to eat around the corner here at a place called the Plaza Bistro. So, just paused it there for a moment while the guy with the motorbike drove off. That's what I'm going to show you for the time being. I'll show you more later. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and check out more of California with yours truly. Alright, back to the radio show I think. I'll speak to you on the radio. Definitely no plaza. It's a ploy to get you to stare into the sun and turn you blind by some Specsavers company